Hello everyone, welcome to Oliveboard. I hope all of you are well. Oliveboard has come up with a series called Word of the Day, and today is day 179 of the series. In this series, I give you a new word every day, its meaning, and its usage in a sentence. Apart from that, I also give you the synonyms and antonyms of the given word. So, this series will be beneficial for you since it will help you enhance your vocabulary and it will also help you if these same words come up in the exams that you are preparing for. So let us look at today's word. Today's word is quotidian. The meaning of the word quotidian is occurring every day. I repeat, something is described as quotidian if it occurs every day. So the meaning is occurring every day. Now let us look at a sentence and try to understand this word quotidian better with the help of a sentence. The sentence that is given to us says the car sped noisily through the quotidian traffic. Here, quotidian is being used as an adjective. Now, let us look at the synonyms and antonyms of the given word. The synonyms can be everyday, normal, or typical. The antonyms, on the other hand, can be unusual or rare. Now, guys, we'll use the language Hindi to understand this word quotidian better. जो सेंटेंस हमें दिया हुआ था हम उसे हिंदी में ट्रांसलेट करेंगे और इस वर्ड कोटिडियन को बेटर अंडरस्टैंड करने की कोशिश करेंगे. The sentence that was given to us was the car sped noisily through the quotidian traffic. तो सेंटेंस ये कह रहा है प्रतिदिन होने वाले ट्रैफिक के बीच में से गाड़ी शोर मचाते हुए निकल गई. यहाँ पर quotidian का मतलब है प्रतिदिन होने वाला. So guys, we have used both the languages, English as well as Hindi, to understand this word quotidian better. I hope you liked the session. Like the video, share it with your friends, and for more such content, stay tuned to Oliveboard. Thank you and have a nice day.